Are you someone who struggles with hands-on tasks? Suppose you need a chair right now, and you have the matching steel and a welder at hand. Would you choose to make one yourself? Or buy a ready-made one? Is not knowing how to use a welder your excuse? Well, today's welders only take a few minutes to learn. You don't lack hands-on skills, you just haven't used the right tools to build something on your own. Now let's get to work. Let's create a welder that satisfies us and share it with countless DIY enthusiasts.